Are you tired of casting your line and coming up empty-handed? Here are the 5 best fish finders I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lucky Kayak Fish Finder. The Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Depth Finder caught my eye with its affordable price of $55.26. This little device is designed for those who want a straightforward, no-nonsense way to find fish while kayaking. If you want something portable that helps you quickly locate fish, this is worth a serious look. This fish finder uses sonar technology to show you not just the fish, but also the water depth, which can range from 3 feet to an impressive 328 feet. That means you can adapt your fishing strategy whether you're in shallow or deep waters. The LCD display is easy to read, even in direct sunlight, which is crucial when you're out on the water. It also shows you the bottom structure, so you're not just fishing blindly. With over 2,000 units sold recently, many users seem to appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Now, some folks mention that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing though, while it lasts about 4 or 5 hours, that's often enough for a day's fishing trip, and you can switch to battery-saving mode to extend its life a bit longer. Plus, it's compact enough to carry around easily. This is perfect for you if you're a casual angler looking for an affordable, easy-to-use fish finder that doesn't require a lot of setup. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a larger display. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if battery life is a concern for you, the next option on my list might actually be even better for longer fishing trips. Product number 2, Reel Sonar iBobber. Next up is the Reel Sonar iBobber, priced at $128.46. This wireless fish finder stands out because of its Bluetooth capability, allowing you to connect it to your smartphone. If you want modern tech to enhance your fishing, this is definitely worth a serious look. The visual display gives you color-coded icons, making it easy to understand what's going on below the surface. Plus, it has an impressive battery life of over 10 hours, so you won't have to worry about it dying halfway through your fishing adventure. The integration with iOS and Android apps really takes the usability to a new level, as you can track your catches and even get alerts when fish are nearby. Now, some users have pointed out that the Bluetooth can sometimes be a bit finicky, especially in low-signal areas. But here's the thing, if you're fishing in open waters, this shouldn't be an issue, and the benefits of the app integration far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is ideal for tech-savvy anglers who like to keep track of their fishing conditions and catches. Skip this if you prefer something simpler or don't want to rely on your phone. For the features you're getting, it's great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list offers even more functionality for those serious about their fishing. Product number 3, Venturier Portable Fish Finder. Now let's talk about the Venturier Portable Fish Finder, priced at $111.82. What really grabbed my attention is its portability without sacrificing functionality. If you want something versatile that you can use from a kayak, boat, or even from shore, this is worth considering. It has a clear-colored TFT display, which is fantastic for reading in both sunlight and darkness. The best part? You don't have to deal with long cables since it's castable. Just attach it to your fishing line, throw it into the water, and you're good to go. This feature makes it super convenient, especially if you're fishing in tough spots. Some users have mentioned that the battery status indicator can be misleading when the sensor is off. But honestly, once you learn how to check the battery by putting it in the water, this becomes a non-issue. The benefits of its portability and the detailed readouts make it a great choice for many anglers. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and compact fish finder that works in various fishing environments. Skip this if you want a larger display or more advanced features. It offers a lot for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more brand reliability and advanced features, the next one might catch your interest. Product number 4, Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV. Next is the Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV, which comes in at $231.36. This fish finder is known for its high-quality imaging and reliable brand reputation. If you want something that gives you a clear picture of what's beneath the surface, this is worth checking out. The 4-inch color display features vivid scanning sonar that helps you distinguish fish from underwater structures easily. With the included GT20 transducer, you get both traditional sonar and clear view scanning capabilities, which gives you a more detailed view of what's below. The built-in GPS allows you to mark waypoints and create routes, so you can easily return to your favorite fishing spots. It's also equipped with quick-draw contours mapping, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to keep track of their fishing areas. Now, some users have noted that the screen size might feel a bit small for detailed mapping purposes. Here's the thing though, for many casual anglers this size is sufficient, especially considering the clarity of the display. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable fish finder with incredible imaging and GPS features. Skip this if you need a larger screen or are planning on professional use. For the quality and functionality, it's a solid investment. Finally, if advanced features and reliability are what you're after, this last option could save you some cash while still offering great functionality. Product number 5, Rake Key Finder. And finally, we have the Rake Key Finder, which is priced at just $18.30. While this isn't a fish finder, it's a handy gadget for anyone who tends to misplace their belongings. If you often lose things like keys or wallets, this is a quirky little option to consider. The Rake Key Finder comes with 4 receivers and lets you locate your lost items by emitting a loud 80 dB plus beep. This is perfect if you're always scrambling to find your essentials. Plus, it has a long range of up to 131 feet, which is impressive for this type of product. Whether it's under the couch or in the other room, you can find your valuables without much hassle. However, some users have pointed out that the sound can be too loud and might annoy others around you. But honestly, a little noise is a small price to pay for not losing your belongings. This is great for you if you often misplace small items and want a simple solution. Skip this if you're looking for something focused solely on fishing. For the price, you can't go wrong with this little lifesaver. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of fish finders today. The Lucky Kayak Fish Finder is perfect for budget-conscious anglers, while the Real Sonar iBobber offers great tech features. The Venterior Portable Fish Finder gives flexibility for different environments, and the Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV excels in reliability and imaging. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV because of its superior imaging and GPS features. Avoid the Rake Key Finder if you're strictly looking for fishing solutions. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.